Hello everyone, let's continue our training. This material is for several technical practices. Okay, for this part, here is the course content. First, the motherboard, architecture, and the CPU memory funds, and the front and rear panel of the server and BIOS basic settings, and how to clear CMOS. And the last content is BIOS BMC and FIU update. Actually, this one is the most important one, BIOS BMC and FIU update. And here is the general motherboard architecture Intel i5520 chipset. Actually, it's a very old version. And the next generation is C600 chipset, and here this one is for the CPU and memory slot recognition. Actually, usually those A, B, C, D belongs to CPU 0 memory, and the remaining belongs to CPU 1. Actually, usually we install the memories from a 0 slot and then 1 slot, 0 first and 1 second. And here is how to install the CPU. Actually, I think for all of you are all familiar with the CPU installation, but one key point I need to stress is the pin. So please take care about the CPU, the pins of CPU, because it's very easy to damage the pins and make the pins bent. So here you must be careful. And here is for the M4 server's CPU installation. And here, this one for the latest generation CPU, actually is M5 and H5. Usually, you need to squeeze the dust cover. Here, this one, remove it first, and install the CPU according to the triangular mark on the practice and the CPU, and install the push side first, and then slightly lift the two corners of the LATCH side. Press down the click on the stamp to secure the CPU into the clip, and then match the location of the one position on the heatsink to the triangular mark on the CPU clip. Then align the positioning holes of the heatsink perpendicularly to the CPU clip. Press to assemble the two parts. Caution: remove the protective film on the heatsink if present. And last, install the SimBoard heatsink module to the CPU slot. Matching the one on the heatsink module to the triangular marking on the CPU's socket. Screw in the mounting screws in 1 to 4 sequence with one hand, while slightly holding the heatsink module down with the other hand.